If I understand the Israeli mentality correctly, then they will always leave some excuse, some, points to quarrel, to bones of contention, so that whenever they're ready, whenever the world climate is ready for that, they would expand their territory furthermore until they encapture Mecca and Medina. This is their ultimate goal, which they have mentioned in so many places, in their books, etc., and gave reference to those, that they will not rest in peace until they have completely wiped out the Muslim world and brought it under their thumb. So this is the ambitious plan which is going to be unfolded with the passage of time, and I have no doubt about it. These are the things they continue to do. They create problems so that they can resolve those problems their own way. Now this is not going to happen, I'm sure. Before they think they will capture Mecca and Medina, something will be done by God which will completely frustrate their plans.